So like I said, our crews were on the roads and in the rough conditions all morning long. Local 5's Megan McPherson breaks down what she saw and the impacts stretching in northern Iowa.
A brutally cold and windy morning here in Hamilton County. We are currently near Jewel. We're about 25 minutes north of Central Ames, and we arrived here about 4:30 a.m. this morning as we were originally going to be heading up to Webster City tracking these conditions, but we ended up pulling off to where we currently are because of the limited visibility on the roadways. As we were traveling, take a look at this video. We recorded this from outside the windshield of our vehicle, and we did have to stop because of the ground blizzard conditions in this area. You can see the blowing snow, really reduced visibility in those early morning hours. This video was shot at around 4:30 a.m. this morning. And the wind chill has been brutal as well. The Iowa DOT and State Patrol has been encouraging people all morning long to avoid travel unless absolutely necessary because of these conditions. It's cold. It's not enjoyable to be outside. We certainly have been experiencing that firsthand. And I also just saw a post. It is about 9 a.m. now from Hamilton County EMA. They posted about the conditions that they've been seeing reported. A northwest wind currently, again, as of 9 a.m., between 26 to 31 miles an hour, but gusts have been up to 41 miles an hour. They've actually seen gusts over 50 miles per hour here in this area this morning. That's why that blowing snow was such a major concern and why they're really encouraging drivers to stay off the roadways and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. So conditions do seem to be improving. Hamilton County EMA does say that the winds are going to die down as the day goes on. So that is good news. But throughout the morning, we have really bared witness to the extent of these ground blizzard conditions here in the area. In Hamilton County, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.
Well, Megan, thank you for braving the cold and bringing us that very important perspective.